everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhiannon and today I'm going to teach you how to do this look. I was really unprepared and didn't plan any of it, so we ended up with a grungy glam look using some new products that I got. I've already applied my moisturiser. I put that on before I put anything else on my skin. I then put on my foundation, and for that I use Benefit Hello Happy. I apply that with this brush. Yeah, I just use 2 pumps. Start in the middle of my face. Just work your way down onto your jaw and a little bit on your ear as well, and try and get it into your hairline. Now I've applied foundation all over my face. I then use the Boing Benefit Cake Plus Concealer. Just put that underneath my eyes in like a V shape and up into the corner. And then I blend in my concealer using a little beauty blender, which I've already dampened. Okay, and then do the other side the same. I'm not sure which side, where I'm looking here in the mirror, in the camera. And then once you've blended it under your eyes, use the same beauty blender and go in the forehead, just in the middle, and down in the middle of the nose. And now I'm going to use a slightly darker MAC concealer and go just underneath the cheekbone. Same on the other side. A tiny bit underneath the nose. I'm not sure why. I just copy what other people say to do. The outside of my forehead, because I got a big head. And then I use a damp beauty blender to blend that in. You can start to blend into the foundation as well, just so it sits a little nicer on your skin. Okay, so we have blended the rest of our face. Now I'm going to contour a little bit more using this Wet n Wild contouring brush. Contour my cheeks, I'm going to use the lighter of the 2 browns in the Revolution blush palette, so this one. And then, yeah, this face. Strings, oh my god. Making a looking noise. Now I'm going to use a Laura Mercier translucent powder to set the lighter areas of my face. I'm going to use my beauty blender. So I put on the translucent powder. I then use Laura Mercier in Glow, and use a powder brush and just go over the top the same areas. Okay, now I'm going to apply a little bit of blusher, and I'm going to use this shade from the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Barley. Just apply a little bit to my blush brush. Bring it off. I like to put it a little bit, like further up here, and then just to puff a little bit of the same blusher on and brush, and then just pop it on the end of your nose as well. I don't know why I do this. I just think it looks cute. And now I do my eyebrows. I use a Benefit Brow in the shade number 1. And I just apply it underneath following that line. And I try not to put too much in the front so it's more natural. And then I just use my eyebrow brush and just brush that through. Okay, and then I use the flat end and apply it to my eyebrow at the front. Like, push it up and through just to get any excess gel off. That'll do. Okay, and for my eyes I'm going to use the Revolution Maxi Reloaded Large It Up eyeshadow palette. I don't know. I'm going to use this like light brown. Yeah, I'm just going to see what happens. So I can't really tell you what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to use a more like plummy darker colour, this shade here, and then I'm just going to put that just on my lid to just underneath the crease. Okay, now I'm going to use another brush with no product on and just go clean that up. I'm going to use more of a reddy colour, and this one. And I'm going to get a slightly thinner brush. Just get some of this. And then I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm going to use a different shade of eyeshadow to do my winged eyeliner. I'm going to use this gold shade first to start off with. Just put it in the outer corner of your eye. Straight across the top of your lid. And then I'm just going to use the same like reddy colour underneath that. Just so you can see it a little bit. Okay, so I've completely winged my eyes and I'm going to put my mascara and use my eyelash curlers. Okay, for my mascara I use Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Best mascara that I've ever used. This is Benefit one, and then I just get another older mascara with less product, so it not get too much on, it's not too clumpy. And then I'll just let my lashes dry a little bit before I put another coat on. And now I put my freckles back in, and I just use an eyeliner felt tip thingy. Okay, and now I'm going to go with some highlighter. I've got a special highlighting brush, and I'm going to use this like goldy colour to match with the eyeshadow. Okay, and then I'm going to use the slightly lighter gold. And now I just put on a little bit more mascara. Okay, now I'm nearly done. I'm just going to do my lips. I stole this recommendation from So Floyd, so thank you. It's a dose of colours. Yeah, in knock on wood. And to line it, I have an LA Girl lip liner in Sugar and Spice. So. And then get it. Okay, and finally I just put on some setting spray. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter, so you spray in like a T motion. And there we go, I have completed the grungy glam look that I completely winged. I think it's a really happy coincidence that I wore my Slipknot top to do my grungy look. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and upload a video every Sunday, so make sure you hit the bell notification and you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. And head over to Instagram and follow me at @VBray. And yeah, thanks for watching.